morning to one and all. I am Venkatesham. I am going to discuss about one of the important topic in solution chapter, particularly colligative properties of dilute solutions, and that is there is a relation between the osmotic pressure and relative lowering of vapor pressure, right? So we know that osmotic pressure and RLVP. Osmotic pressure is the external pressure which is applied onto the solution side to stop the flow of the solvent molecules whenever there is a solvent and solution are separated by a semi-permeable membrane, right? So that external pressure is its osmotic pressure, whereas RLVP is it is there is a ratio between the lowering of vapor pressure to the vapor pressure of a pure solvent is it's a relative lowering of vapor pressure. So as all we know that there is a according to the osmotic pressure and want of laws are there. According to that want of laws we can write this is a pi v is equals to this is a n est ma. So pi is osmotic pressure and v is the volume of the solution, n is the number of moles of the solute and s is the solution constant, t is the temperature. So I can write here here n is the number of moles of the solute now, so that I can take throughout this relation. A is simply solvent and B is this is a solution solute. So A is a solvent and B is a solute. That means if I will write Na number of moles of the solvent, Nb number of moles of the solute, Xa number of moles of the solvent, Xb is the number of moles of the solute, right? So this is the number of moles of the solute now, so that I can write here clearly this is a pi v is equals to, so this is a Nb into this is a St ma, and even this volume of the solution is it is one of the colligative properties like for dilute solutions we can write here volume of the solution is always it will be equals to the it's a volume of the solvent only will take. Why? Because here volume of the solute, that volume of the solute is negligible or a very small quantity is there, so that will write here volume of the solvent is equals to the volume of the solution in the case of dilute solutions, right? So that I can write here above equation and pi Va is equals to, so this is simply a Nb St, right? So already we know that there is an as for the basic definition of density is equals to this is a weight by volume, okay? So suppose if I will write this is an volume is equals to this is a weight by the density, so that if it is applied for particularly only a solvent and I can write here Va is equals to this is a Wa divided by this is the density of a solvent. As for the basic definition of density is equals to weight by volume. Here volume is equals to weight by density. So if I will take only for a solvent, Va is equals to Wa by so dA. So you can substitute in the above equation ma, so that I will write above equation can be written as this pi v is equals to NbSt. No, instead of Va you can substitute this Wa by dA, and here I can write this is a pi into, so instead of Va we'll write on the Wa by dA. So Wa by here it is dA, so that is equals to, so we'll write this is a Nb into here it is Est. Okay, so this is a simple one ma. Here weight Wa by this is a dA. Okay, so you can write this is a pi is equals to and Nb this is a St into this is a dA divided by here it is a Wa. Solvent Na is equals to, I can write this is a weight of solvent divided by here it is a molecular weight of solvent. Okay, so if I will make this weight of solvent is a subject of the formula Wa is equals to, so this is a Na into this is a Ma ma. Okay, so this Wa you can substitute in the above equation and so that I will write this is a Nb divided by here it is a Na. So this Nb divided by Na into this is a Est dA divided by, so this is the molecular mass of solvent Ma. Okay, so as all we know that according to the Raoult's law, we'll write this is in P naught minus P S divided by this is P naught is equals to, so this is a XB mole fraction of solute, and I can write this is a simply a NB divided by, here it is a Na. So instead of NB by Na, we can introduce the RLVP here. That RLVP is here pi is equals to, so that I can write this is a P naught minus Pes divided by, here it is a P naught into, so this is a S T, this is a dA divided by this is a molecular weight of solvent. So this is a relation between the osmotic pressure and its RLVP. So for 1 mole of solvent, for 1 mole of solvent here, weight of solvent is equals to its molecular weight of solvent. So that in the molecular weight of solvent Ma equals to, you can write down the weight of solvent. So that I can write here pi is equals to, this is a P naught minus here it is a Ps divided by this is a P naught is equals to, this is a St St divided by this is a Wa divided by, instead of Ma I can write down the Wa. So Wa divided by this is a simply A, where it is in density of A. As all we know that Wa divided by density of A is nothing but we can write down the volume of the solution, and that is a P naught minus, here it is a Ps divided by this is a P naught, here it is a St divided by, it is a volume of a solvent, that is nothing but it's a volume of a solution. Okay, so this is also another formula that is helpful to correlate the osmotic pressure and the RLVP.